Some important developments coming in on the story. Invites for attending the Ram Temple Shilanyas program will also be sent to Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. This keeping in mind his father and Shiv Sena founder Balasaheb Thackeray's utmost dedication to the temple cause. Balasaheb was also accused in the Babri Masjid demolition case. These invites are to be sent this week. Among the chief ministers, the list will also include the name of Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. My colleague Pranshu Mishra is getting us all the very important details. Before that, I want to cut across to my colleague Vinaya Deshpande, who's with us on the broadcast. Vinaya, very interesting choice of invitees. I mean, right now, Shiv Sena and BJP are not the best of allies or political friends, but this invite will be extended to Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. And how likely do you think it is that he'll attend the ceremony?
Hello.
Vinaya, am I audible to you?
Yes, now I can hear you.
Yes, Vinaya. So I wanted to understand from you that the very interesting choice of invites by Prime Minister on the Shilanyas, the foundation stone laying ceremony at the Ayodhya, at the temple site. How likely is it that Shiv Sena chief will go for that?
Quite likely, because that is exactly what the Shiv Sena has been harping on, and this is an extremely smart move by the BJP to invite the Shiv Sena, to invite the Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Clearly for Shiv Sena, Ram Mandir has been an issue of focus for quite some time now. It has in fact even chided the BJP in the past over its lack of initiative in building the temple. Just a few months ago, Shiv Sena had also famously said that Pehle Mandir Phir Sarkar. So clearly, now that the temple groundbreaking ceremony is going to take place, the Shiv Sena would in some sense like to be invited because it would like to share the credit. We remember that when Uddhav Thackeray took charge as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, he also visited Ayodhya Ram Janmabhoomi, sought blessings and also donated 1 crore rupees for the Shilanyas there. So clearly, the Shiv Sena will be quite keen on attending this kind of a ceremony is what the sense is at this point. But this will also mean that it will have to clarify its stand on the issue, particularly at a time when Sharad Pawar, who's the NCP chief, has hit out and in some sense taken a jibe at the Prime Minister himself,
exactly,
saying that the priority at this point in time should be fight against COVID.
Yes, and that's going to make their allies, at least in the state government like the Congress and the NCP, pretty uncomfortable, as Vinaya is also pointing out. Pranshu Mishra is also with us on the broadcast. Pranshu, take us through the details which have been confirmed. Uddhav Thackeray, Nitish Kumar, these are the people who are likely to be invited.
Yes, there's around 300 people who would be sent this invite, and they would be, of course, including the Prime Minister, Home Minister, Defense Minister. The invite might also be sent to the President and Vice President of India. But the political controversial part will actually arise because the invite will also be sent to the Thackeray, the Maharashtra Chief Minister, and presently the President of the Shiv Sena. Now, his case is important because we are already seeing NCP Chief Sharad Pawar making objection to this entire plan. Congress, of course, then the Gandhi families will not be sent an invite. So whether Uddhav Thackeray attends this ceremony or not, that will raise a lot of controversy and how his ally partners, the NCP and Congress, are going to respond. That will be of important question. Now, to a very senior leader of the BHP, who is also associated with Trust, he says that they would be inviting Uddhav Thackeray because his father, Balasaheb, had a long-standing commitment to the cause of Ram Temple. He's also was an accused in the case of demolition, and therefore, that's the reason why Uddhav Thackeray would be sent an invite. Uddhav Thackeray personally had also been to Ayodhya. He has been raising demands in the past. He had also been to Ayodhya after being the Chief Minister. So invite will, of course, can cause actually some sort of political flutters or political controversy as far as the ongoing alliance in Maharashtra.
Absolutely, Pranshu, that's very likely to happen. We have seen that reaction coming in from Sharad Pawar already, and much is likely to come forward as the day nears. Thank you for getting us all the very important details on that story. Well, that and much more is going up on our website news18.com. We are slipping into a very short break. Stay tuned.